Hey, welcome back friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I want to show you another album that I done with my new floating folio hinge. Okay, this one wasn't taken from a hard, made out of chipboard and tie-back and your hinge in the center. This is one that I just designed with my oh my, that's going to be a tongue twister. Floating folio hinge. Sorry about that, ladies. Can't talk today. This is my kit club project for this quarter. So I'm calling this album Forever Be Folio Album. Okay. This measures 8.5 by 10. And I believe 1.5 inch spine. Okay. And it does have 4 pages in it. There's my floating folio hinge. Boy, I'm getting tongue-tied. Okay. And I will have this one, I will get the tutorial made for this one and get it up on my website, scrappinitup.com, to where you can purchase the tutorial if you're interested in this. Okay. So it flips open. And there is no chipboard in this album. I designed the covers with a 110-pound cardstock, and then my pages was 65-pound. So you open it up, and I'm not quite done with this yet, ladies, but I wanted to show you with the, the new hinge system that I come up with. So you open this up, and we have an acetate pocket here, ladies. And it's got lots of room in here to where you can stuff this. Okay, so I mean, you can stuff it full. I love that acetate pocket right here. I just think that is so sweet. Okay, so then we have our pages. Like I said, this one has 4 pages in it. Okay, there's my spine. This one I did reinforce with tie-back. Okay, so this one is a bigger album, so I highly recommend that you back it with tie-back. Okay, Craft Tex will not work. Craft Tex is too thick of material to handle this type of a hinge. Okay, all right, so here's the first page. I love that. Pretty neat. And so my hinge is all on this one side, so it will flip just like, the hardbound albums that we make. Okay. This paper is beautiful. This is The Love and Adore by Simple Stories. Beautiful paper. Then that opens up. And then we have a belly band underneath there. And just slide right back in. And then that flips. I think I had it. Nope. Okay, like that. I mean, look how flat it's laying. And I'm not for sure how many photos this one will hold. I haven't figured that up yet. Okay, so you have this. And then we have a pocket right here. And then I just made a few photo mounts to go in the pocket. Okay. So this flips just like a regular album that, just like, let me use this one, it flips just like one of these albums. Okay, here's our hinge. Okay, and it's in the center. And we use chipboard to make this album. But this is using my folio hinge, okay? And it makes it flip just like one of those albums, but yet it's a folio. Okay, beautiful. So again here, we have a belly band. And I just quickly decorated it. It just slides right back in. And then it flips. Oh, nope, I thought that page turned. Nope, it's this page it turns. Okay, so you have that. Look how beautiful that is. And then that page turns. Hard to keep folio in the camera. But that is my album, Forever Be. Okay. Wonderful album. Wonderful. And like I said, I will get the tutorial and get it up on my scrappinitup.com site. So if you guys are interested in picking up the tutorial, and you can just purchase it and it's yours to keep. Okay, ladies. I think that's about it in the series. I think that's all I've made with my floating folio hinge. So the next video will be, I think, will be showing you how to make it. Okay? Okay, give me thumbs up, guys, or if you have any questions or comments about my new hinge, or, you know, about the album, please put in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Okay? You guys keep scrapping. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.